Oh, I feel much better now. It's morning. I should go mining. Look, some iron. I might as well get some cobblestone now, so I don't have to get it later. Here's something. Oh, it's fun. I hear that, but I can't tell where it is. That must mean there's more creatures here. I'm in no shape to mine. I forgot about it. Ah, God. I'm feeling so much better than I did yesterday. What are these things? Looks like a spider, but oh Jesus, a skeleton. What? I need some food. I'm starting to get hungry. Oh, what is that? Ah, Jesus, it blew up. Oh God. If I don't get some food fast, I'll die. Why are so much of this? Oh. I'm gonna go get some food. Dying. If I don't find any animals, then I'll die. How can there be no animals? Where's my house again? There it is. So I'll just go straight over there and I'll come back if I don't find anything. Oh, I'm feeling so much better than after that. After I slept. Guessing I was hungry. Or just tired. God, I can't even run. I'm just so tired. I heard a pig. I'll get some mushrooms just for stew. Okay, I got it. I hear some pigs, but I don't know where they are. There's some sheep, I might as well get them. Oh, there's a pig. Yes, some pork. I'll need to cook it also need to make a furnace so I could cook him. I have some coal, that's good enough for now. I don't see any other pigs. Let's go on the side of the river. I'm so hungry. God, I'm bleeding if I don't stop it. But I need food to be able to do anything. Kill a jungle. I'd rather not go there. God, I'm so hungry. I better be careful. If I fall just a little bit, I will die. Pig! I just need enough food to get through today. More mushrooms. I think I'll make a furnace. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. 3 pork chops, it's good enough for now. I have a lot of water, it's good enough. I don't see any other animals. My sword's running out. Sapling. If I remember correctly, I can use bones to make bone meals. Then, cool. Just one more. Okay. Ah, good. I was starting to get so hungry. Okay, now that we're good, and I'm healing, now we can go find stuff. First of all, I need to get food. God, I feel a lot better now that I'm I feel a lot better now that I'm healing. Ooh, I'll get some of this. Oh my god, my sword broke. I think I'll make another one. Should be quick. I could cook this also. Get some more wool for a bed. Pigs, yes. I have 4 pork chop. 5. Where's that other pig? Oh, 7 actually. Whoa. Where's that? Oh, there you are, pig. Thank Notch for this dinner. Oh, it's getting dark. Where's my house again? Oh, I see it over there. Oh, I just need one more wool. I should just look for one more wool. Then go home. There, oh, Jesus, what is that? That scared me. Some more pigs. Pig. Now I just need a one more sheep. Oh god, one of these things again! Oh, I killed it. Yes! I'll get some extra wool. If there's any. I'm pretty sure I saw sheep. Oh god, skeleton. There's another skeleton. A few skeletons. Get a few arrows from them. Oh. God, I'm not gonna survive this. Oh, Jesus. Should get home. Oh my god. Zombies. Oh my god, I gotta get out of here. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, it's an apple. Good. Where's my house? Oh my gosh. I have some bones. I heard a dog. I could use a dog. Partner. Where are these dogs? I'm almost sure that I heard one. Ouch. Oh, not these things again. Oh, God. Things are dangerous. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. I think my house is this way. There's a pig. I think. Oh, some sand. Whoa. I should get some meat and some sand while I'm not here. I'll make a shovel. Just for speed. Decoration maybe. I'm going the wrong way. Need to get as much food as possible. And another sword. Oh. Oh, yes. I got a weapon. 12 hours. 12 arrows, sorry. God, I got an arrow inside me. Oh, Jesus, it hurts. Go kill that skeleton. Oh my gosh. That arrow. Oh, it must have fallen off. That's some good food now. Oh my god, where's that river? I think I'll follow the river. Maybe it'll take me somewhere home. Close to home. Ouch. God, I didn't make it. Oh, iron. That helps. Coal. I need coal. Oh, I'm gonna dig out a little house here, and I think that's it. I'm going to sleep till the morning. I'll make the house exactly like I made it last time. Ah. Oh, I'll get iron. Okay, well, I think I'll go to sleep in my second shack. So now I have two.